Hariyali Paneer Tikka recipe. Prepare the marinade by blending 1 cup pudina or mint, 2 cups coriander, 5 green chillies and 1 inch of ginger. Add 1/4 cup bundi, 1 tablespoon chaat masala and salt per taste. Mix it in a mixer jar, adding a little bit of water. In the same jar, separate half a cup of marinade and add half a cup of curds. Mix half cup of the plain marinade to this. I have used paneer I got from a website called Terrace Streets. Wash and pat dry it. Next, cut the paneer according to the size you prefer. I cut it further in half later on. Marinate the paneer for 1.5 hours in a fridge. Meanwhile, cut half a red, yellow and green capsicum. Marinate them in a bowl. Cut 2 onions into petals. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. I have used a slotted tray. I have spaced the marinated paneer and veggies. I baked it for 15 to 18 minutes. The color came out amazingly. Before serving it, add juice of a lemon and some more green chutney. Serve with the remainder green chutney. This recipe served for 4 of us. Thank you for watching, and as always, like, share and subscribe.